I feel very happy but relieved. We've been preparing for this for months and months. So I think I'm very happy for all the years I'm going to spend with him and this beautiful, beautiful milestone.
Backside, yes, Amagi will come. That is like that guess wala.
Put it and then
That will not
It's not like that.
Yeah,
you can do like this.
So we met while we were doing our MBA together in Jamshedpur, Excel and I. We were in the same class, same friend group, same project group. We were together for 2 years, but Mr. Tejas thought of proposing to me at the end of 2 years, and that's how we started dating each other. But
in 2022.
in 2022. But before that, we were like very, very good friends. We still are, but that's how we met each other. Excited. How do you feel?
I'm super excited. I'm excited. We have actually been looking forward to get married since the day we started dating.
Yeah.
For the last 4 years, I think this has been our dream. Still registering in my mind that, oh, she is already my wife.
Initially was nervous, but the moment I saw him, the moment I probably laid my eyes on him, I think that nervousness turned to, that reassurance that, okay, what I'm doing is right. As a person, well, I think he's perfect for me in every way. He knows me in and out. He knows what I like. He knows what I want. But what I fell for mainly is that smile of his.
The thing that I love about her the most, I think one, of course, goes without saying how beautiful she is. Second, I love those beautiful eyes of hers. I also love her personality. I think she's someone who's very ambitious, very bold, very courageous, and gets what she wants. That's what I like about her.
And also the fact that he's my husband now. So I definitely love that about him.
లేని ఏదో తాపం ఏమిటిలా నువ్వే లేక వేధిస్తుందే వేసవిలా చంత చేరి సేద తీర ప్రాయమిలా
I mean, as I said earlier, the minute I saw her walk down the aisle, I couldn't hold back my tears because one, she was looking so beautiful. Two, it was like a dream come true for me. That the girl I've been in love with for the last 4 years, she's finally becoming my wife.
నీ తోడు ఇలా ఇలా
ಕಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಚೆ ಕನುಲೆ ಕದಿಲೇನು ನದಿಲಾ ಕಲಲೆ ಕಡಲಲ್ಲಿ
I think I'm actually at loss of words when I thought about that moment again. So I really I don't know what to say. I don't think words can explain that feeling. But it's just a lot of love and joy.
I promise to always make you laugh on my silly jokes, keep you happy forever.